What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, back for another video. And today we are going to be discussing the 1916S Mercury Dime. All right, guys, so let's get into the video. So what if I told you that if you had a 1916S dime, you could potentially sell it for $20,000 or more? I'm going to show you guys how someone actually did that. So guys, look at this sale right here. This sale that took place in 2001 is for a 1916S Mercury Dime, and it simply sold for this amount because of the mint state 67 condition. It is in pristine mint state condition, and if you did not know, the grading scale only goes to mint state 70. So this was 3 points away from that. Now, of course, they also had full bands on this Mercury Dime as well. So that did contribute to the grade as well. Collectors always want the fine details of the coin to be present. So this also was a contributing factor. Now, guys, if you have a coin in similar condition, take it to your local coin shop. Let a coin expert look at it, and you may want to potentially get this graded by one of the top grading companies known as PCGS or NGC. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.